Today I have a pair of vintage Darby non-adjustable handcuffs. They come in two varieties, the adjustable and non-adjustable. These are just one size. The adjustable ones have a ratchet here going down just like regular handcuffs do, where you can adjust for people who have larger wrists. This is just one size fits all, basically. If you have a thick wrist, it's going to be awfully uncomfortable. But let me show you how this works, basically. It doesn't have a key per se. It doesn't have any tumblers or levers in it. It's just a threaded bar. The key, there we go, has a hole in it, and it has threads that go on a bar. That's here in the lock. You can see it there. It has threads around it. And the key, I have it stuck in this one, duplicate key. To unlock it, you turn it counterclockwise. And what that does, it pulls a locking pawl, which is holding this ratchet down this way as you're just screwing it clockwise. It pulls the locking bar towards you this way, so it unlocks. And to show you, it's pretty tight on my wrists. I have average wrists, and to lock it, go counterclockwise. But let me show you the how that works. See inside here, you'll see the locking pawl. I turn the key. It's coming up there. But you can see in there. Excuse me. And that locking ball goes right into this hole. So picking this thing, you can't pick it with a regular pick. So they have invented a device. This is it right here. It's a hard metal tube with holes at either end. This is a narrow hole, and this is a wider hole, depending upon the size of the post that's inside the hole where the key goes into. And what you have to do, if you have these things locked on, it's very difficult to do. So I'm not going to put them on me. I'm just going to show you how this thing works to defeat the lock. You stick this in and you rotate it just like you do the key. Rotate it in a clockwise direction. And you need to get this really tight on it and down about halfway or more. It does get kind of hard to tighten. And so you can use this thing to help tighten it a little bit more to get it. Once you've got it tight enough, you take it and you pull. I need to tighten it a little bit more. There we go. So you see, this is a very difficult pair of handcuffs to get out of, and you do need a very specialized device in order to unlock these things. There's a close-up of the locking ball in there. Okay, so there you have it, the Darby vintage non-adjustable handcuffs and how you can defeat them. Thanks.